receive the power of the Holy Spirit. Fire of this, the mighty name of Jesus. You are blessed. I prophesy over your life. In the name of Jesus, receive the power of God. I decree that you are blessed. In the name of Jesus. From tonight, your covenant is restored. I said your covenant is restored. Your covenant with God is restored. Go and shine. Go and preach the gospel. Go and shine. In the name of Jesus. You are blessed. In the name of Jesus. You can pray in your seats.
Can you tell us a little bit about what you experienced tonight at the Healing Rain Conference?
So when they called for people to come forward that felt like they had had something break in their relationship with Jesus, I knew that I had to go because I literally said that earlier this week, where I really encountered the Lord over this past year and recommitted my life to Him about a year ago. But then over the summer, some things happened that kind of got in the way of my relationship with Jesus. So I knew I had to go to the front and have the covenant, like that relationship with like my first love restored again. So I did, and I feel like I received the power of Jesus again, and I felt like that covenant was restored again tonight in my life.
Praise God. Amazing.